Welcome to our channel. Buying homeowners insurance requires more than just choosing the cheapest policy. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure you get adequate coverage that truly protects your home and belongings. Step 1. Calculate your dwelling coverage needs based on the cost to rebuild your home, not its market value. Use a replacement cost estimator or consult a contractor for accurate reconstruction costs. Step 2. Document your personal property by creating a home inventory with photos or videos of all valuable items. This helps determine how much personal property coverage you need. Step 3. Understand the different types of policies. HO3 policies are most common and cover your dwelling for all perils except those specifically excluded, while HO5 offers broader coverage. Step 4. Choose between replacement cost and actual cash value coverage. Replacement cost policies pay tour-place items without depreciation, making them more expensive but more comprehensive. Step 5. Evaluate liability coverage limits carefully. Consider at least $300,000 to $500,000 or higher if you have significant assets to protect from lawsuits. Step 6. Review exclusions and limitations in each policy. Standard policies often exclude floods and earthquakes, so you may need separate coverage for these perils. Step 7. Compare deductibles and understand how they affect your premium. Higher deductibles lower your premium but require more out-of-pocket expense when filing a claim. Step 8. Shop with at least 3 to 5 insurers and compare not just prices but coverage details, customer service ratings, and claims-paying reputation. Ask about available discounts for security systems or bundling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.